So what I'm doing today is making a shelf. Now this shelf used to be against a flat wall, so this was literally the back of it. And what I've done is I've cut a little tiny piece that fits in here like this, so that I can put something on here and go all the way to the back wall with it. Now maybe, if I'm lucky, maybe this same piece, the same type cut, would basically work there. So what I can do is go ahead and cut 1, 2. I might want some more of these up here. I'll go ahead and cut at least a couple of these. Then we'll take a look at how we want to put them in. And I got my Christmas saw working. Oh, the joy. Life is good here. Alright, that got me 2 of those. Now I'm thinking I'm going to want at least 1 more shelf in here, so I might as well go ahead and cut a 3rd one. Might even want a 4th one, but I got this piece of wood sitting here. Got my pattern, got my wood piece. I know I can get 1 more out of this. Just about. I could move my notch up to here. That would gain me in about another inch there. I don't think there's going to be much more I can use that piece for. Anyway. Oh well. Let's see what we can get out of that. Oh, give me 1 more. I had the appropriate braces and stuff up in there. So more up here, and then I think that final piece would actually fit in here. If I wanted another shelf up here, and I'd have to put a little something on either side of it, but that would work. We could make that work. I think I'm going to want my air stapler, and it's up yonder in the other shop, so I'm going to run up there. Yeah, I'll run up there and get that. I had to take about 1 inch off each one of these in order to get my door closed. Loosen that just a hair to have that closed right. Like that. That works. I don't think I'm going to put this one in there just yet, because it would be a good idea to see how high that needs to be, because I might could get a 4th shelf in here. And a good thing to do would be start taking things and putting them in there. And I'm not even sure what all I got to go in there. I've got another whole bag here of stuff. It's probably in that shelf up yonder. I got a bunch of computer stuff, calculator stuff here. Banjo strings. There's another, there's a bill of sale for the Studebaker right there from Mike Hall. That's classic. There's some J.B. Weld. Old credit cards. That's something I use, old credit cards for spacers and things. I got some organizational. I need to organize things. Let me put a staple in each one of these. Oh, that's lovely. Now, I think what I'm about to do now is stop and think, or maybe stop, unload some more stuff. We'll figure out what's going to go in here. Yep, I got a nice looking box of stuff down here. And oh, there's a pair of ring squeezers right there. That goes in the garage. This is something that used to be on a rat rod. I used to have the ignition switch wired to that. It was my emergency switch. Paintbrush, light bulbs, radiator tester. This is one of them things you hook up to your car. You can crank your car from standing outside under the hood. There's an old-fashioned voltage meter. And this is obviously in the flood. This is my drill sharpener right here. That goes on a trailer hitch ball, and it must have a magnetic piece to it because this 1/2-inch bolt is stuck to it. Ain't that odd? Ain't that odd? That's a magnet right there. I don't even know where that came from, but there it is. We got electrical stuff in here. Oh, that might be a lot of stuff that I hadn't been able to find. We got one of them Swiss Army knives, and got a nice wrench here. There's some plug-in doolollies, you know, to change from a 2-leg to a 3-leg. I might can use them. I think this is automotive electronic stuff. This box right here needs some thorough going through, I do believe. Okay. This looks important. Craftsman electric. That's some kind of, that's an engraving tool. That looks like a hammer. A little hammer. I got some straightening up to do, and I still got boxes I hadn't even opened yet. And I'm starting to get hot, which means I'm gonna have to go up there and get in the pool. That's how I roll. So, I suppose I'll sit this table back inside of here. And I'll come back to this. I got a little bit done today. Not a ton, but a little bit. You know, do a little bit every day. You get things done a little bit at a time. It's okay. I'll come back to all this.